Alright. Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? It appears that we are not quite yet. Shall reload this so that it can show me Yep, okay, we're on. Hello. Hello guys. Right. Skip that for now. Okay, first things first, we're gonna go ahead and put this guy. We're gonna go ahead and put this guy. We're gonna make sure he's always going to, I don't know, whatever, we'll just, yeah, that's what I'll do. And we'll go and set him at 140 negative. And Y can go ahead and be 30. Boom. 100. There we go. That's good. That's a good place to drop. Where are we dropping? Yep. There we go. Okay, that animation doesn't happen fast enough, so we gotta figure this out here. When I start... When I touch sprite 2... Okay, where are you gonna go ahead and remove that Andor and then put its own little if touching sprite 2, delete this clone, and I'll do that after show. So, maybe we won't see that little graphical glitch if it disappears first. Because the reason I'm doing that is because I don't want coins to end up inside our little enemy dudes, because if... Alright. If that's the case, then, you know, since they're technically the same size, they might be disguised within the coins. Okay, that didn't seem to have worked. Go to, okay, so as we have to go to, and then it's gonna be show. See if that does it. Okay, because it shifted over before, really, right away, it shows that it doesn't work. So let's go show first. There we are. Okay. So basically what I'm trying to do is ensure that no coin spawns. Where? Oh, well, there we are. I think we'll go ahead and disable the game over tag for a second. There we go. Just so we don't have to deal with that while we're debugging. Good. Boom. There we go. So I'm wondering whether we should always have this guy be at like negative 120 over here, or whether he should be right there all the time, and then we just speed up and slow down his environment for him to go left and right. Because I feel like that would be pretty cool. I definitely feel like that would be pretty cool. That way you won't be quite so disconnected. It'll all be one seamless world that you're working with. However, that could get glitchy real fast, I think. We'll have a look though, for sure. Let's have a little noise happen when he touches the coin here. So when set coins to 1 right before doing that, let's play a little sound. Boop. Alright, let's see this. Yep, there we go. Okay, that's glitching, and I think I know why, because I didn't play it until done. Because I'm just playing it for an instant instead of for an appropriately long amount of time. See, okay, that's not supposed to happen. And we'll just put that in there too, just so it double checks. There we go. 2 instances. Okay, that's weird. Okay, I think we definitely wanted to hide before it displays, before it plays the sound. Okay, why is it still doing the thing? Why? Okay, we're just gonna have it continuously check. That's what we're gonna do. Boom. Alright. So each clone is going to be constantly checking to see if it's touching sprite 2. Oh no, can it not sense clones? And normally when I would touch these enemies it would go into game over. But I've undone that so I can debug these coins. Because I'm trying to figure out... Ah, see, that coin checked itself. Yeah, okay, they're checking themselves now. They are definitely doing that. Yep, they're checking. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go and give them their show thing after they've checked. So they'll start at hidden. Once they've checked, then they're allowed to show. So we'll see if we see that graphical glitch anymore. Okay, we're seeing that one. It should be hiding. Oh, because I'm telling it to force show. Hey Euro, how you doing? Making a game? I'm experimenting with gravity mechanics. I've kind of gotten off topic though because I've eventually just made a variation of Jetpack Joyride. Whoop 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 whoop. So I kind of want to get into game design. So I'm making a whole bunch of tiny little projects, and this is my first one. It's just called Gravity. Doo-ba-doo-ba-doo. Okay, we force show them. That's dumb. That is so dumb. Okay, wait. If... I know what to do. We'll stop. No. Okay, we'll just have to leave the show there. I don't know how to solve that graphical glitch right now. So I'll leave that be. And basically, I have to collect these coins. I have a little jetpack dude here. And I have to collect these coins without touching these enemy little ray things. And ooh, hey, I'm not Josh though. So what happened to the? If you touch the purple stuff, well, let me re-enable what's supposed to happen here. So I need to go back into this sprite and oh wait, where is it? Ah, here we go. Let's do this. So I'm gonna collect a couple of coins. You see, I have 2 coins now, right? And I'm gonna touch the purple. Game over. I lose all my. I'm supposed to lose all my. Oh, I lose all my coins when I start over. Okay, yeah. I am not Josh. Don't call me Josh. I'm not Josh. If anything, I'm a not Josh, alright? They're the bad guys, so they kill me immediately. Well, I might actually fix that to where they just lower a health bar so that you can level up the health bar by buying upgrades with these coins. So I'm thinking I'll have you be able to upgrade your performance with each... I'm not Josh. With each... oh, goodness! God damn it. So with each... I'm thinking you can upgrade your... Alright. I'm adding the health in. And then I'm gonna give myself something like 95. Just to toot so I can freaking debug this. God. Whew. Alright. We'll call HP. Okay, we'll put over here. I'll put the coins over here. And I messed around here because you see how they light up when I hit the buttons? That's basically my tutorial. It just shows those are the buttons you can use. And so anyone picking up this game is like, ah, those are the buttons. You know, and then they'll eventually figure out what those buttons do. And, oh, and check out this. So, let me just disable those guys. So, basically, I can hold down D, but unless I'm activating the jetpack, he doesn't go right. Yeah, well, you know, I'm inventing the game. So, it's kind of a hard one, because I haven't actually smoothed it out at all yet. I've disabled the enemies here. Oop, shoop, shoop. So, I'm gonna... I don't know, I might end up calling this like Jetpack Cat or something. I don't know, is that a cat? Is that a cat? Let's get a better look at him here. I drew these guys in 16-bit. So that's our little dude, and that's when his jetpack's on. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and maybe make this prettier. Let's go with a nice... Ooh, that's too big. Let's go with a nice... And then a nice... choop 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 choop. Yeah. A little prettier that way. Maybe we'll go like that. Yeah, there we go. Okay, that works. That works better. So we're gonna go ahead and give ourselves... We've already made the HP, so I need to start using it. So instead of broadcasting game over, we're going to broadcast hit. And this will be hit. Oh wait, no, that needs to be game over. That'll also be game over, but this will be hit. We need to make a new one here. Hit. When I receive hit. That will change HP by -1. And then it will test whether or not the HP is less than 1. And if it is, it's going to broadcast game over. So let's see if what I've rigged together here, it just became more ugly. Oh wow, thanks. Thanks, Huey. So let's see if that HP rig works for us here. We don't have any. Alright. Yeah, alright, we're gonna start. I forgot to actually give myself health points. Let's see. We're gonna start with a nice HP of 2. Nice bulky, girthy HP of 2. And then we'll see what happens when we hit this ray here. Boom! We lost one. And game over. There we go! Don't you need to mark a starting? Yeah. Thanks, Hero. I figured that out. I'm not Josh, but thanks for the love. Welcome to the I'm Not Josh channel. I'm your host, Not Josh. Maybe we'll make it an HP slider. Boom! Just for debugging. Okay, so our HP works now. Ooh, do we need to add another item here? Maybe like hearts to increase your HP. Ooh. Yes, that'd be pretty good, wouldn't it? I'll put these over here. If you aren't a Josh, then you're a Mark. I'm not a Mark. I am not Mark. I'm not Josh. I'm not Steve. I'm not Frank. I'm Sinsim or Manny. That's it, folks. That's it. We need to cheat this. Oh, well, alright. 28, there we go. Whew. Cheat our HP up there. Wow. Alright, this is a lot better. But I think... Alright, I'm going to now rig... No, not Joshy. I'm going to rig a nice little start button. First thing we're gonna have to do is when I receive game start. When I receive game start, throw that away. When I receive game start. So now, instead of using that little flag up there, we're going to use a nice button. No, not Joshly. Joshly won't work either. Definitely not. And we'll switch this for I receive game start. Why is that different? Okay, we're going to go ahead and put that show down there. And then this needs to be when I receive game start. Put it back where it goes. Actually, no, that's redundancy. Oh, shoot. No. Undelete. Undelete. Yes, okay, good. We'll leave that there for our coding. Our special little coding, because it does go there, but it's gonna need to be inactive because we don't need to waste the CPU on that. redundancies are what make games slow. Like most of the time, unless your computer just sucks at it. Okay, so now that everything starts on game start, this does nothing anymore. So now we need something to activate game start. So let's just paint a little guy. Alright, we'll make him 16-bit times 2. Nah, I think we'll make him the same style as these guys. Oh wait, that's not right. Oop. Well, I'm good at things. I'm good at things. Hold your applause, guys. Hold your applause. Ooh, that's messy. There we are. Totally a Josh Lee. What are we drawing? Oh, the start button, yeah. Boop, boop. Oh, come on. And then we'll draw a nice little S here. Oh, stop it. There is a text editor on this thing, but I don't like it because it's stupid, so I just like to draw my own text. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. I know what I'll do. Haha. Victory's mine. D. Oh, that won't do it all. Alright, you know what? Break the rules a little bit here. I'm just gonna make it 5. And then we need a nice A. Oh my god. This is going awfully. There's too many sounds right now. Oh yeah, it's a retarded T. Why are there too many sounds? Do we need to turn this down? Well, that's up. All right. Okay. Okay, well, I guess that's as quiet as it gets. Ooh. Okay. Then, all right. Okay. There we go. I'm good at drawing, guys. Look at this masterpiece. Mother of God. And a tiny T on the end. Okay, that's not gonna do it all. We're gonna go ahead and then we're gonna go like this. Boom. Start. Perfect. Barnum. Barnum? What did Barnum mean? Barnum? Barnum? Barn? I don't understand. Oh well, no, I'm not gonna ban him. He's just asking a simple question. I in fact shall answer it. This shall be my first. But I have played a lot of games, so I'm quite good. Let's copy this color and slam it right down here. Shabuski. And then we're gonna go ahead and okay, I think I'll add a nice little we have to actually start the game with this, so all these guys are gonna get a nice, when this is clicked, hide. and then also when this is clicked, and he'll facilitate that, we're going to hide variable times 4. It's going to be lift, speed, HP, and coins. And then on game start, we're going to show variables lift, speed, HP, and coins. Put that down there. And then we need to move these guys. Alright, come on. There we go. Good job. I believe in you. There we go. What? Josh, need to do it. Why though? Because no, he's not ugly. Kiwi, be nice. We love our new viewers. And no cyberbullying, okay? Get along, guys. Kiwi, be nice. You're acting up here. Might have to do something about it. All I see is Kiwi calling somebody ugly. So, Kiwi, be nice. Alright. So when this is clicked, hide. Nope, when this is clicked, frickin' show. You're the only thing that shows. And then we'll also bring him to a nice 0, 0 center screen. Boom. How's that for a game? And then when it's clicked, obviously it doesn't do anything yet, but when the sprite is clicked, it's going to hide, and then it's going to broadcast game start. There we go. So, boom. Shakalaka. Ah, see, we have a slight little problem here. These guys don't seem to be showing. So we're gonna have to show them how it's done. I'm sure Toter 700 is lovely, alright? Why? I'm not gonna ban him unless he does something worth banning. And the person closest to earning a ban right now is you, my good lady. Okay, let's see here. Start, boom. And we're off. Oh boy. Alright, there we go. Whew, that was close. I should probably be way back here. There we go. I don't think I'll go forward quite so much. Okay. Let's go ahead and double the coin amount by where's the wait? We'll go and double it by waiting half as long to spawn a coin. There we go. Now that's cool, huh? Okay, but, hello mindless things, I do remember you. Thank you for joining us. Oh, crap, I need to, hold on. I need to make sure I note down everybody's names who's chatted today. So, let's see, we have you, row. Kiwi. We've got Toter. 700. Because I gotta update my leaderboard with this and Milo's things. Things. Yep. Okay, good. Excellent. Alright. So, start. Ho. Ho. Ho, 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 ho. Ho. Ho, 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 ho. La-di-da, ria, shit-ya-in-dere. Ooh, idea. Hold on. Okay, that's just gonna be what a T is from now on. We're gonna make him skinny. We're gonna make him skinny, but we need to make a store at this point. So I'll just duplicate this and destroy the inside of it, like so, so that we can add in some letters. Because I use these tiles here to tell me where everything's supposed to be. So this one will be store. I just realized that I already had an S here and I could have just left it, but what's done is done. Oh, that's incorrect. Let's get rid of that. Alright, that's incorrect too. Wrong! There we go. Oh, that's incorrect. Nope. Alright. That didn't work out. Oh crap, I got class. Well, I'll see you around, Euro. Thanks for joining us. Do-do-do-do. Do-do-do-do. And we'll change the scripts on this little boy. And then we'll go to a nice, this is X, so X, we'll go to 40, no, still 0, we'll go to negative 20. And the star key stays, so we're gonna have to add a nice, save game start, hide. Okay, we'll just put that there then. That's fine. And then when I receive game start, hide. Oh, okay. Well, I look forward to having you. Hello, Milo's Things. Welcome back. We're continuing to do what we were doing. Okay, so Starkey does nothing. Alright, no, that's unsatisfying. We're gonna go ahead and play sound bop and they'll done. Yep, there we go. There we go. I had to do a tricky little thing to make these coins appear in lines like this. But I'm super proud of that particular line of code. Oh no! I've died! Oh no! Well, that's fine. I got 33 coins. Ooh, we should add a bank variable. And obviously we're going to need to add that to the lists. And we want to change the bank. Actually, no, that shouldn't show there. But should certainly hide here. No, not show, hide. There we go. And then when we hit store, and this right clicked, show variable. Ooh, actually we're just gonna broadcast new message game store. And when game store is broadcast, start needs to hide. This also needs to play the sound bop until it's done. Okay, so now that happens, we'll go ahead and duplicate this little guy. And we'll set him at a nice 0, -20, that's fine. We'll fix up his costume as well. Well, that's not gonna work. Let's go with a nice... There we go. And then this needs to be a good old back key. Oh, well, there's first mistake of this particular drawing. Boom, boom. Shakalaka. Okay, we're making a back key here. Because I hate not being able to get out of menus. I hate the games that don't allow me to get out of menus are the worst. And I will not be committing that crime in any game I design. So there will always be a back button. And if there's not, it's a bug because I forgot. That's how that's gonna go. There we go. There's the back. And we're gonna go ahead and move this to there, nice and centered. Is that centered? Yeah, that's centered. Okay. And then we'll fill it with some of this. What's it doing? Doing something weird? Okay, never mind. And then the scripts have to be a bit different here. New message, game menu. Okay, we're just gonna have a whole row of when I receive for these buttons. And this right click, broadcast game menu. Game menu show. And then we can get rid of this. And then that will just do the one thing right here. Broadcast game menu. That'll be the only place where that will be. And then we're gonna go when I receive game menu. And then this will be when I receive game menu. 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 There it is. Game start, game store, game menu. That'll be a nice, what are we looking at here? The start button? Okay, that definitely needs to show when game menu is hit. The store is the same. There we go. And then that's all good. Alright, so start. And back needs to show only when we're in the game store and hide when we're in game menu. Boom. So that's back. Perfect, see? Works. Boom, boom. Alright. So what other buttons should we have in the store? Ooh, idea! Alright, so we're not gonna have this hide here. We're gonna have this show. Although that's redundant, and so I might be deleting that. For now, I'm just gonna separate it and put it over here with all these little bits of rubbish down here. So, and then we'll shift back over to X 40, I think. Yep, and then Y negative 40 to make room for a button. Then we'll duplicate this. Set this to Y negative 20. That needs to open up, and then we're going to edit the text on this one. Wow! Alright, that happened. Boom. And then we'll go with a nice, what is it we're buying? Yeah, I'm just gonna go with a nice simple heart symbol. Yeah. So we're gonna go with a little bit of this. Okay, that'll have to do. And this engine is capable of making more complicated things, but see, I'm not. So that's why everything's gonna be 16-bit. Okay. And then we're gonna add something here. When touching mouse pointer, when, or if, I guess, we'll use if. If touching mouse pointer, and then we'll go ahead and go, forever. And I receive game, store. Stop other scripts in this sprite, we'll duplicate that. Actually, we'll just put it there, because that's where it's needed. Back, store. Back, start. There we go. Perfect. Should we also... Ooh, idea. Okay, we'll all have them react. We'll have them all react when they are moused over. So sensing, touching mouse pointer, and I receive game menu. And then that'll go when I receive game start. And that'll also stop when I receive game store. Okay, so we're gonna get rid of that. And then when we get to game menu, we're doing the store key here. forever if then, touching mouse pointer, and we're going to make the change brightness effect, no, set brightness effect to, let's try 50. Else, we need an else. We need an if-else statement because we want it to choose based on whether or not it's being touched by the mouse. So it's gonna do that. Yep, see? There we go. Isn't that something? And we'll just go ahead and give that straight to start over here. We can delete that. And then that's game store and game start with that one. There we go. Isn't that something? Oh, star doesn't make a noise. Huh. That's interesting. And the reason we were stopping other sprites is so this doesn't do this forever and just eat my CPU. Because it'll just keep going forever and ever and ever once it's activated unless I tell it to stop. There we go. Back. This doesn't do anything yet. Actually, it does do something. We need to stop it from doing things. Hello, friend. Derpish Melon. Alright. We'll add you to the leaderboard after the stream here. Because you have chatted and that gets stuff. That gets you on the leaderboard. And that'll mean something once I reach affiliate. I think I'll do like a drawing. That'll be a fun time. So thanks for joining me, Derpish Melon. Alright, let's get back into it. So, store doesn't do anything. Not yet. So what should this do? This should... Okay, when the store is clicked, it needs to also show variable bank. Or when I receive game store, show variable bank. Actually, let's go ahead and give all the variable privileges to Sprite1 over here. So when he receives game store, is going to show variable bank. Receive game menu. There we go. So now, show variable bank. Bang. Bam. Oh yeah, this is a really cool little program. Yeah, I've been working on this little game for a few hours now, so it does a bit of stuff. In order to enable, especially this gravity physics I had to do. You know, you see how I'm falling if I'm not activating my little jetpack. Let me make that bigger for you. Boom. And then we go around getting coins, and if we hit one of these guys, we lose an HP, and if we hit again, game over. 25 coins. Oh wait, when we hit game over, we gotta add the coins to change bank by coins. There we go. I'll just activate that real quick so that it does its thing. Come on. Let's look at the bank. Yeah, we got the coins in there. Woo! Okay. So now that we've got the bank settled, we can start using the bank here to... Oh, when it's touching mouse pointer, it needs to do two things. It needs to say... Oh, that needs to be an if-else so that it reacts to both negative and positive information. Say nothing. Say, we're gonna go ahead and have that be 100 coins. There we go. And then we'll also give it our standard effect here to make it do stuff. Okay, let's start over here. Store. We don't have 100 because it doesn't actually do anything. But let's see. Save them for college already. Ha! Yeah, sure, dude. We got 25 coins in the bank. I'm sure they'll accept. I'm sure they'll accept gravity cash. All right. What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? Oh, we're making this work. Okay, so what's it going to do is it's going to test if the bank is greater than how the cost, which means 99. If it's greater than 99, then okay, so we need to make a variable starting HP. We need to make that one, and that's just going to be hidden because it's just going to be a background little tracker, background counter for us. And so the starting HP is going to be 2 right now, or we'll just have it be 1. And then every time you get 100 coins, you're going to be able to increase your HP. Wait. Bank starting HP times 99 or times 100. Oh goodness. How are we gonna do this? How are we gonna do this? Oh, okay, yeah, no, never mind. Oh, that's not fair. That's not fair. All right, we're gonna just go with this glitch, even though it's going to. You're gonna need more money than it actually costs to make it work. Ooh, actually, never mind. We'll just use an or sign to fix all of that, and then we can do this. Boom. So if it's greater or it's equal, then what it's gonna do is it's going to change starting HP by 1. And it's going to change our bank by negative 100. So we don't have enough. So why did it do that? What? It shouldn't have done that. Okay, it must have just been a glitch. Alright. Alright, here we go. Oh, we need to actually have the starting HP do something. There we go. Okay, here we go. We're gonna earn some coins here. Well, we got 5. So that's good. Store it. Now I have 30. Alright. Neato. Well, alright. Well, we're not gonna get very high. You know, I'm just gonna do a little cheat here. And do that. Disable our enemies. Let's do this. just gotta, so we go and collect all our coins. Okay, instead of wasting time doing this, I'm just going to set the bank to 100. Boom. And then we're gonna go ahead and go to the beginning store, spend those. Boom. Let's check our starting HP, it's up to 2. So now, oh, it says the wrong thing now. We need to make it say the right thing because it's not saying the proper, because it's not saying this, it's just saying 100. So duplicate. Okay, and then when we'll use this. So this will cost 200. And each time we level up, it's going to cost more. So we're going to go ahead and set our bank to 200 here and see if it jumps correctly. Did it do it? It did. That's not right. It's adding money to the bank. Oh, okay, I see. So what we're gonna do is we're going to negatify this times 2 starting HP, and then we'll, I wish there was a simpler way to negify. Okay. So what's our starting HP now? Let's find out. 7. Brilliant. Okay, we're going to rename this variable distance, even though that's not what it is, even though that's not what it's going to be used for. We're going to call it distance. Start. There we go. Let's re-enable our enemies here. They immediately just start spawning. Okay, we should probably add a sound when we die, shouldn't we? So let's do that. When I receive game over, we'll just do a second one over here. Oh, where is it? There it is. Because that one's already doing things, and sounds and other stuff don't really work well together. So we're going to go ahead and play the sound. We gotta go to sounds and get a sound. Let's go with nope, that's not a good one. Nope. That'll work. Alright, so I'm gonna go over here and play sound bell toll until done. Okay, so now we're gonna reduce our starting HP to 1. There we go. Boom! It didn't do the thing. Ah, that's why. There we go. Oh, we should probably broadcast game start as well. Or no, we should broadcast game menu. Because then, when we die... Let's get to this enemy here. Oh, missed him. I fall to the ground. Back to menu. Isn't that just seamless? Okay. Then we'll go this door here. We have enough. What the frick? Why? We had 111. This costed 100. What? Okay, we're gonna see what this is. It's negative 200. That's what it should be doing. So we'll set the starting HP to 0. And we'll set the bank to 100. Alright, and then we're gonna check this again. 0. This is 0. So that costs 0. Why does that cost 0? Oh, because our starting HP is 0, and that's not a thing that should happen. Our starting HP should be 1. Because if it's 0, you get a freebie. Okay, now it's negative 100. What the fuck? It should have brought it to 0. I don't understand. I don't. Okay, we're just going to put a nice cheat button here so I can reset this crap. Alright, there we go. Why is it doing this? We're gonna have it wait a little bit in case I'm accidentally clicking it twice. Why? Why are you doing this? Why? Why are you doing this? I had the correct amount. Oh. There it is. That's what it was. It was activating the starting HP, and then it was calculating using the starting HP. That's what it was. It was upgrading and then charging for the extra upgrade that it didn't actually give you. That's what was happening here. Alright. There we go. Let's try that again. Perfect. Wait. That should also bring us back. I'm gonna receive game store. Hide. Okay, there we go. Start. Right, okay, alright, okay, so now we can upgrade our HP, so we're tougher. Should we have it so we can upgrade... Ooh, we should have some nice... We should... Oh, well, alright. Looks like I died. How much did I... 23... That's not enough. But we should give this a nice backdrop here. We're gonna go with a little bit of shoop. We're gonna call this. We're gonna call this gravity convectivecta. And then we're going to go ahead and just... Okay. Alright. That's not what I want. I want to grab this and delete it, and grab this and delete it. Grab this and delete it. All of it. Delete, 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 delete. And then we're going to go into scripts over here, back to backdrop, click out of it. No. Do this. Ooh, alright. Well, we're going to go ahead and just manually slam some white on here. Come on. Come on. Give me the white. Why aren't you doing it? Why aren't you doing it, buddy? Alright, well, we're just gonna carry on. We're gonna carry on. We're gonna ignore the fact that that's being a gravity. We're gonna call this 0.0. Okay, that looks like a face. We're gonna call this gravity v0.0. Then we're just gonna put this. Where's our centering tool here? Where is our centering tool here? Alright, we're gonna manually put it there then. Right in the middle. Alright, maybe a little higher. Maybe a little higher. Okay, maybe a little higher. Okay, maybe a little higher. We're gonna go a nice... Yeah, there we go. Boom. Start. Ah, that needs to go away. Oh, I know what's going on here. I know what's going on here. So we need to make it just like the start key in the idea that it game start hide, and we'll put that over on the stage. Shoop. So that's all the stage will do. Start. The stage can't hide. All right. Well, we'll just switch that to the to this nice backdrop right here. Shoop. There we are. You can't fool me. And then when I receive game menu, switch to backdrop 1. Okay, and then store, back, start. There we go. Title, screen, initiated. It works now. And the back button doesn't light up. Where is it? Where is it right now? Where's this right now? Where's this going right now? Okay, there we go. So the back button doesn't light up. It's because it doesn't have a sweet one of these, or this. There we go. And then when I receive game menu, we're gonna have to stop other scripts in this sprite, duplicate one here, and move this one up here, clean that up. There we go. Alright. Start and store need to be replaced too. It needs to be over there, like all the others, so that I can find it in little time at all. Shoo-ba-doo-ba-doo! It costs 200 to go back. Ah. See, I didn't see that bug. Alright, well... There we go. Oh, that's not high enough. We'll just go ahead and make this a little higher. There we go. That way it doesn't cover up the title there. And then we start. Whoop. So, power-up ideas, guys? I'll add power-ups at your discretion. Oops. Still fly around, though. I need to fix that. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and... and then we'll stop all. So, question is... Oh, okay, I guess we can't trick that into testing. So, let's see. Okay, that still doesn't work. Okay, how long is the bell toll? We'll look at that. It's 4 seconds. So, we'll wait 1, 2.5, and then we can wait. 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 Other sprites. Wait. 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 Alright, we'll see what happens if we do 1 second. Okay, that doesn't work. Okay. I know how to when I receive game over, broadcast game over again. That's what we'll do. We'll just double broadcast game over. Oh my god. Alright. I'm gonna cheat here. This is what I'm gonna do. Over sound. Okay. And then we're just gonna broadcast the game over sound. After we've stopped the other sprites, the other bits of code in here, other scripts, and then when I receive game over sound, we'll play that sound. So, like so, it should freeze me, frozen, bell tolls all the way, and then we're done. Okay, but that lasts 4 seconds. 1, 2. So I need to. Actually, we'll just extend that. What am I doing? Hide show, hide. We'll just repeat that 4 times. Hide. And then we'll stop everything. Alright, let's get ourselves killed real quick. 4. Perfect. That sounds nice. That sounds really nice here. Alright, so... yeah... the distance to reflect the distance. It's increasing. Do you mean to start at 0? You want it to start at 0? I'm gonna go ahead and assume that's what you mean. So to do that, we're gonna have to change up our operators here. We're gonna have to add an additional 1 to these guys. Because they move toward us, and then we'll just set it to start at 0. There we go. And then we'll just have the distance start at 0. Hey Frosted, what's up? We're just building a game here. Let's just have a little playthrough here. Fascinating. That's weird. I seem to have broken everything. Let's see. Oh, -1. I added a plus or a minus should be. That's what it was. Let's go that again. Let's do that again. Let's do that again. Oh, you missed my, why are they, why are you, why? Okay. So this would be changing coin, or changing x by negative this at this point. And that, oh, wait, add? What would that do? What is that answer? Oh, okay. Okay, well, how long have we been streaming? No idea, but let's scroll up here. Uptime begin. Oh, just wait, I think I can. Yeah, we've been streaming for 40 minutes. Or wait, no, 1 hour and 18 minutes. There we go. Yeah, that's, we have that casually running in the background. It's a good game. It's not one I'd play on my channel though. We'd play that on this one. But he doesn't always stream it, so you can go ahead and give him a follow if you'd like, but it'll be played there by a friend of mine. Well, you only really missed a bunch of technical difficulties. Alright. The jetpack should make a sound. I just realized the jetpack should make a sound. So when if space key's pressed, we're gonna go ahead and shoot. Let's find a new sound here. We'll try this one. Wait. No, not that one. Let's try electronic, and we'll go. We'll try that one, because what I'm gonna do is glitch out that sound. By playing sound buzz where the space key's pressed. So that's just downright unpleasant. Okay, I'm sorry about that. We're gonna edit this by taking this bit out of it. Okay, let's try that again. That's more pleasant, I think. Cut a little bit more off of it. There we go. That's convincing. That's convincing. They're still glitching out over there. Ooh, we're just gonna not do that. We're just gonna have them start super slow. That's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna have them start at distance, and so when we begin, they're not gonna be moving very fast. I don't know how to do this. I don't know how to make the distance 0 unless I just do a separate speed and distance and then base the speed off the distance. But that's adding another variable. So are these guys speeding up fast enough, actually? Do you think they're speeding up fast enough, or should we increase their speed up? Speed. Because this is change distance by 0.01. We'll try that. See how that goes. I think that might be a bit fast. Yeah, I think that might be a bit fast. It's definitely a little bit fast. Yeah, I can't even see what's going on. 0.005. Let's try that. Oh, that is absolutely awful over there. Oh, that is terrible. I don't like that. I don't like how that number's glitching. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. I think we'll go back to the 0.001. I don't like that at all. I don't like it. Okay, here we go. We're going to leave it at that for now. We're not going to worry about that. Now I have noises. This beginning is kind of hell. Okay, that's it. We're going to be setting the distance at 1. Even though it's technically not accurate because we can't start at 1, we start at 0. We're going to be sitting at a 1 just so this doesn't just start out as a total hell. My day, Frosty? My day was lovely. Let's be like Sanic, you know. Yeah, exactly, Sanic. we lost a health point there. Ooh. Oh, 26. We only made it to 1.9. Shoot. Okay, so yeah, I'm feeling super good that I got to actually stream, even though I was a bit late coming on. I really need to get a graphics card for my other computer, for my computer, so that I can independently stream whether or not I have access to this device. Da, ba, ba, da, da. Should our game have music, do you think? Should it have like some good oh, that's terrible. Oh, that's terrible. I'm gonna go ahead and turn this volume down to 60, 40. Okay, and then we'll go into sounds. Have a look at those guys. They're still loud as balls. Never mind. We're just gonna go like this then. We're just gonna go like that. Alright. Let's go. Yeah, is that more manageable for you guys? Still loud for me, but I'll just turn down my... Yeah. The first one, this hip hop. Where was it? Then we got... Ooh, that's a good one. The techno ones? I don't. Techno. I have no idea what you're talking about, but birthday cave. Ooh, that's nice, but I don't like it. Nope. Dance arounds might work. Bottom row, techno. Ooh, that might work. Oh, that won't work. No. Okay. No. No, maybe not. Is that one better than... Oh, heck no. We're not having any haze around here. Dance, chill out. Definitely not. Wait, that's remarkably like... That was like something I... Nope, too slow. Nope. That might work. Okay, yeah, we'll go ahead and add that sound then. We'll go with that. We'll go with dance around. And so when I receive game start, forever, play sound, dance around until done. There we go. Now I can turn this back up to a reasonable volume. Oh boy. Tabbed out. Let's get up there. Look at this. It's a proper game. Oh, gosh darn it. Ah, gosh darn it. Okay, well... Alright, so I'm thinking of adding power-ups. Like little things you can pick up every once in a while. Oh, speaking of which, we should have a percentage of failure for these spawns, because they're all pretty constant. I think it would mix up the game a little bit to have a percentage of failure for them. Huh. If pick random number from 1 to 10 is greater than such and such, then um, then oh here we go. There we go. And that'll so how frequently do we want is greater than do. We'll see what that does. So now we've made the coins have a spawn failure possibility. Ah, see, nice big gap between those two. Okay. So that means about 80% of the time, 80% of the attempts are successes, generally. When I have anything greater than 2, spawns a coin from 1 to 10. Okay. And maybe a power-up can affect this, actually. Is less than 8. Because then we can have spawn chances for things. And we can affect those. And what'll the power-ups do here? Ooh. Yeah, they'll affect... Yeah, they'll affect, like, your environment and stuff. So we'll start with the coin. Coin multiplier. Disables the enemy spawn for like 3 seconds. Ooh, shoot. That's good. That's good. That's good right there. You get a preach for that. You get a nice preach. Enjoy it. But we're gonna start trying to do that. So you have to figure out here, right here, if so we have the normal spawn chance failure. We're gonna just slam that over there and then put it in. But that'll happen after our spawn. Okay, and then we'll just set that to true. Alright, and then if enemy spawn equals true, oh, we need the if in there. Well, the if's up there. Then you can proceed to calculate whether or not it will spawn. There we go. Go ahead and just hide that because we don't need it. And then we're going to create a little item here. And let's see, how should we do it? What should we make here? We'll go ahead and make it like, oh, well, make it a nice triangle. No. Wait. Yes. Okay, that doesn't work. That's not a good line. We'll go with a nice 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Oh, that needs to be moved down. Gotta center it on here. And then 2. And then we'll take this. We'll copy that. paste, place, flip over, slam it down, then draw a line here. Oh, well, alright. And these are just like temporary sprites for these. We can change these anytime, but so I'm going to fill it with a nice purple. No, yeah, purple. Yeah, it'll fill with a nice purple. Fill with a nice purple. So that is going to get the code from these guys. We're just going to carry it over, and then we'll change it up. Because it behaves essentially, it's going to behave essentially the same, but it's going to have some key differences. Okay, so that's good, that's good. Set enemy flow. It doesn't need to set the enemy flow. What it needs to set is the, actually, power-ups don't need a flow. Because they spawn so rarely that their spawns might as well just be random. And then pick random. And then not based on enemy flow, but based on pick random -175 to 175. And the reason I've chosen those numbers is because if you look down here and watch our y. So when I'm down here, gets to about -7, or well, we'll go -150. Just because, yeah, then they won't. Then they'll stop. They'll spawn between these two locations. Okay, that works. And then 50 or 150. And then we don't need any of this enemy flow stuff. Show. Okay, and then if that's greater than 9, so a 10% possibility of that showing up. What? Okay, there we go. Now to pick it up. Currently it has the same effect as the enemies. Did you look at my world? Euro, you done this? Do what? Make a game. Nope. Okay, yeah. So they currently do the same thing because they broadcast hit. We want them to broadcast stun. We're gonna call it a stun. We're gonna call that stun. And what stun does, according to this guy, when he receives stun, he is going to mess with the variables. So when he receives stun, he's going to set enemy spawn to false. And then he's going to wait 3 seconds, or let's go with like 6 seconds. And then he's going to set enemy spawn to true. And if this works, then our enemies aren't spawning because I didn't let this complete. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, it's way too common, even with my low spawn rate. Even with my high probability of failure, it's still spawning way too high, so grab that. They don't spawn for 6 seconds. And there's too many of them. There's too many of them. Alright, we're going to have to change our little thing here. 1 to 100 has to be greater than 99. There we go. Every 100 times or so, it's going to try to spawn that. Well, there's the frick is going on here. Okay. Really? It's always greater than 99? Are you sure about that? 22, 3, 25, 44. False. Okay, I think it was just a misfiring of the computer there. This should look better. Yeah, we're not seeing any of them because it'll have to try 100 times, and even then it might not work because randomization. But every 100 seconds or so, it'll have a good chance of spawning one. There we go. That's not often enough. We'll go with a nice 90. There we go. Oh, there's one. Let's go ahead and disable spawning. Enemy spawning, so we have free reign for 6 seconds. Oop. Yep. Ah, that is nice. That is nice. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and select this. That's not what I wanted to do. There we go. We're going to select this. Then we're going to flip it upside down. Because it's pointing downward now. It's like down with the enemies. And then another upgrade will be up with the coins. And the way we're going to do that is by duplicating this. Hello. Duplicate. There we go. And then we're going to switch the costume up. And turn the inside yellow. And so now it appears correctly, but what it needs to do is broadcast cache. And when it broadcasts cache, this guy is going to okay, we need to enable it to actually do something here. So we need to make a variable. Coin spawn chance. Okay. Then we're gonna coin spawn chance right there. I'm gonna set coin spawn chance to 8. Just out of hand. Or let's set it to 5 normally. Let's see what that does. It's not a lot of coins. Enough to keep the game interesting. Then I don't think this is really working yet. We haven't really set it up. So it's going to broadcast cache, and when it broadcasts cache, it's going to set coin spawn chance to 8. 4. Or it's going to set it to 10. Or 11. There we go. For 6 seconds. Alright, let's do it. What's the coin spawn chance? 11. Okay, we're going to run this through. Wait for it to complete. There it is. Excuse me? Back, we need to set it back down to 5. That's what it is. Setting it from 11 to 11. That's not good. And we'll go ahead and get rid of that. And then raise the coins, stop the enemies. Let the enemies stay stopped. Well, I missed that. Missed that power up. Oh, this is so strategy now. This is super strategy. You'll get both of those. Only coins. Yes. Riches are mine. Boom. Oh, there's an enemy. Hi. Oh, hi, friendo. Let me just... I'm going to give up on that one. We're going to go and up the coin count here. Boom. Reduce the enemies so we can get some free stuff. There we go. Look at that. We've practically blinked out the screen. Aw, man. This is so much more fun with those power-ups. Oh yeah! Jackpot when they appear together. That's pretty good. There we go. Give ourselves a little bit of warning here. Shoot. Oh. Okay, I think the enemies are naturally spawning every second. Yeah, we need to set that to half seconds like everything else. There we go. Now everything's a half second here. Oh boy. Makes it a bit complicated. Disable their spawn for a second. Give us all them coins. Yeah. Jackpot. Ooh, we should have like a total jackpot that just fills the screen with coins for a second. Oh, that'll be good. We'll have a jackpot one. We'll make a new sprite for this. We'll make a new sprite. So it's gonna be a it's gonna be a red coin. There we go. No. Ooh, yeah, different colored coins. So we'll duplicate this and then change the costume colors to like red. And then this one gives us... Ooh, and then maybe it gives us an HP too. Maybe it has a chance to give us HP. And then we'll change coins by 10 for these guys. And then coin spawn chance divided by 10. Okay, wait. Is it times 10 or divided by 10? Let's check this. False, 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 false. False, 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 false. What's this? Divide by 5. Okay, there we go. Still impossible. We need to go 0 to 10. We need to go 0 to 10 with all of those. All the spawnable objects need to be 0 to 10. I'll just do that just to simplify things a little bit. And that was going to be a pickup, but it's not. So never mind. Wait. Oh, I accidentally changed the wrong one there. We're going to pop that down there, and then we're going to go ahead and make those coins super common. And then slam that in there. Get rid of this. See how that does. Ah, and these are the wrong coins too. We need to go back down there, do 10. There we go. Perfect. Oh, that's nice. Yeah! Wow, it's actually pretty easy to level up then. Should we make the upgrades more expensive in that case? Yeah, the yellow ones are the normal 1 coins. Ooh, wait, there's a number on them. But this... Alright, what we're gonna do here is just erase the number. There we go. Because I distorted that. There we go. Oh, bugger. We're gonna go to the store and get us some health. Oh, man. We don't have enough. Let's go get us some more coins then. We nearly have enough. Oh, we need one of these pretty bad. There we go. Keep them at bay for a little bit. Let's keep them off. Keep them off. Nice. Nice. Yeah, keep them gone. Keep them gone. Keep them gone. Oh, I couldn't risk it. Oh, I just lost one of my health points. Oh boy. Oh, gosh. Darn it! Okay, yeah, this is a bit of a rage game. Let's go and buy that second little star power up there. Oh, this is turning out so good. It's turned out pretty sweet. Okay, well, we're gonna steer clear of those guys now. Ah, there we go. I like 10 coins. Well worth. Isn't the yellow one's normal one? Didn't you make the yellow coins worth 10 instead of 1? Oh wait, I'm just tripping. Just make a new Flappy Bird? Sure, why not? This is better than This is far better than Flappy Bird. What are you talking about? Well, there's all our health gone. Okay. Back up a little bit here. Oh yeah, jackpot. Yes, all the coins are mine. And it raises the percentage of the red spawns too, but not by a lot. Because it cuts it in half. Anyway, so I'll go ahead and do that. Hop up here. Ooh. Oh, this is looking nice. Oh yeah, okay. Well, I think we'll have all of those guys reset when they show up. So we'll do all the buttons. We'll have them all actually reset when they show. When they receive game menu, we'll have them all when they receive game menu. They're going to just readjust to where they go. First thing. Because they are calibrated to be in specific places. I just haven't... did I put that in the right one? Nope, put that in game store. Game menu. There we go. Good job. Game menu. Alright, there we go. See? All lined up for you. Boom. That's a good time. Should I have some kind of background going on? Is that blank white fine, or... What should we put back there? Yeah, I have no idea. Ooh, yeah! Some layered mountains or something. That would be pretty neat. They just sort of scroll by. Along with you. based on the distance, just like everything else, so that they appear to be. And then like at different speeds so that you get a sense of depth. Like a foreground, middle ground, and background. All going at different speeds. Boss fight at the end? Well, this is kind of a never-ending game. You just sort of play it until you die. But we can certainly do a boss fight in another game. Oh boy, 1 HP left. Let's make it count. Things are starting to speed up. I think. Oh, goo. Distance of almost 4 now. I'm doing so good. Just don't freak it up. God damn it! Okay. Alright. I think we have enough. Check it. Now we got 4 HP. Ooh, we can get even farther. I definitely am going to make other tiny games. And I am totally going to upload this so that you lot can play it. And I'm putting links to all these little games that I make. Oh, fine. Alright, links to all these little games are going to be under my Twitch once I've completed each of them. Is this one good? Because it has power-ups that affect the environment. Should it have power-ups that affect you? Yes! Should have a healing power-up. Like a super rare healing power-up, and that's what this will be. So we're gonna go with a nice one of these. And then, yeah. One of those, some of this. Go down here, go up here. Over this way. Up there. I'm good at drawing, guys. Alright, well. Well, the thing is, it doesn't let you see where your cursor is, so I can't readjust very easily. Because everything snaps, and I don't actually know how far my cursor is from snapping. It's like, yeah. Oh, that's not good enough. That's not nearly good enough. Let's do that again. We're gonna go and make them thicker. Here. Oh, goodness, can't see a thing. Erase that. And then we're gonna go make them thicker. There we go. Boom. Boom. Shakalaka. That'll do it. Is that the right shape? Do you think? Yeah, that's better. I'm gonna make it a nice green, or a nice red plus sign. Or just a heart, right? Or just make a game Thursday. That is not an alliteration, but I will think about it. Oh, high score! That's smart, bro. Because, like, Minecraft Mondays, they both start with M. And then, did it save? Yeah, it did. Okay. Alright. Minecraft Mondays and, like, Free Game Friday, you know? So, make a game Thursday. Thought Well, I mean, yeah, I'll see it anyway, so whatever. Oh, because thought. So it's a like a moderator. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna allow that word. Thought's a good word. Thought's a good word. Okay. Leave some room. High score. Yeah, high score. So just that'll be easy. That'll be super easy. So when I receive whew, I thought all my sprites were gone for a second. I was freaking out. Welcome back, Kiwi. How you doing? Alright, so where's game over? change make by coins, and we'll also set if. Okay, well, just okay. There we go. And then when I receive game over. If we need to make a variable high score. If so, we're gonna need score and distance. And if it's greater than the high, if the distance is greater than the high score, send. I'll just set the high score to 0. Then set high score to distance. So there we go. Bam. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's put that up here. Let's put that down here. There we go. Let's begin. And this doesn't do anything yet, so we'll just hide it. We'll hide it while we test our high score thing going on. Oh, should we get extra score for points? See, there we go, distance. Leave some room for random games. Yeah, that's true, Frosty. I'll do that. I think I'll just do the game jam whenever I feel the need to do the game jam. Because we might just do new games on Tuesday. We'll do like games on Tuesday, like random ones. We'll just have that one weekly, oh hey look, he's playing something different moment. Oh. There we go. Get a high score here. Oh, look at all those red coins. Oh, that was delicious. That was delicious. That was delicious. I'm satisfied. Oh boy. I need to back up. I need to back the frick up. Well, I got the red coin, so frick you! Alright. Ah, yeah, I get it. High score is 2.17. Yeah! Actually, I don't like that there's a point in there. It just bugs me for some reason. So what I'm going to do is something slightly unnecessary. If distance times 100, or time, is it times? Okay. We're going to go and duplicate this times 10 and see what it is. Or not times 0, times 10. Okay, that's not, it's 20. Oh no. 100. There we go. So it's going to be times 100, greater than high score, times 100. There we go. Start. And we'll end up resetting our score here. There we go. Make a round up. It does. Whew, I hate the decimal point. We'll find it. We'll find the point at which it stops having a decimal point. We will. There we go. 1,000 was good. Boom. There's a... Oh my... There's a... God damn it. Okay. Whatever. This works too. See, it resets. Boom. I'll go to the store. We can't quite afford that yet, so we're going to keep going. And we need to get our health thing working. Because we're here to make a game, not play a game. Although that'll happen. We need to mostly just make a game. And then we're just going to slam these over here because it's essentially the same. except for what it does. Clean up. Clean up. Alright, fine. There we go. Good job. Okay, repeat until touching edge. Broadcast. Nah, no, don't broadcast. You are going to handle this information yourself. You're going to change HP or set HP to it's basically just a full heal, starting HP. There we go. So it's basically a full heal when you hit this. That'll be it. That'll be it. It'll be just as rare as the others. Let's turn those guys down. Yep, see, restored me to 4. More coins. Yeah. Ooh. Back to 4. There we go. You like my current schedule? Yeah. Having to do stuff on Tuesday and Thursday is pretty good. But then we have Free Game Friday. So that's 3 days of... That's 2 days of questionably new content, and then 1 day of absolutely new content. And then obviously I'll have to do like challenge runs for some of my streams. I've actually got some challenge run ideas for The Sims that I've been working on here. Wow, this turned out nice. A simple little game. Oh my god, look at all these red coins. Missed one. Darn it. Well, let's get that health that we don't need. There we go. I think we might have got a high score here. We're gonna go ahead and get ourselves killed. There we go. So new high score, 4364. New continent isn't always the thing. Let's playthroughs. Like playthroughs will be important. Well, yeah. But then again, maybe I want to be more of a creator than a consumer with my streams, because people do that. Why is everything going so slowly? Is this what the beginning's always like? Did something change? I feel like something changed. Did we change something? I suppose not, I guess not. There we go. Boom. I think that's good for pickups. Oh, I needed that. I needed it because I'm like at half health right now. Oh! Oh wait, that's not an enemy. What am I doing? Ah, yes. Sweet, sweet. Sweet, sweet healing. Should we have enemies that deal more damage and make them bigger? So that they're harder to avoid? What do you think? Yeah, it'd balance out the heal. We'll do that. We'll duplicate this essentially because it's going to be doing the same stuff and they're going to broadcast hit twice. Or, yeah, wait, no, we'll just... Okay. And then we'll just get rid of this. Start over. And we'll actually make this guy 32 instead of 16 bit. So how should we design him here? He's gonna be this wide and this long. He's large, he's about twice as large. So, I have an idea. And then I'll go with a nice, make a gunship out of that. And then I'll take this, copy paste, place, flip, and boom. That's a nice front, you think? Nice little front going on, and then we'll give it its little lasers. And then, how should we make this back here? Or we go, yeah. I'm gonna do one of those, and then, darn it! Then one of these. There we go. That's a nice little round thing going on. Copy, paste, flip, place. And then we'll make that darker purple. And it'll have the same scripts here. It'll hit you twice. Don't see any spawning. Okay, we need to stop hitting enemies long enough to see it spawn. Why isn't it spawning? Where is it? Okay, we gotta look at it here. Let's see if game start set enemy flow to 0. Broadcast hit twice. Everything's the same. Why is it working? Game start. Should be just as common as these guys. Where are they? I don't understand. They should be here. They should be here. But they're not. But they do not be here. They do not be here. I don't understand. They're not showing up. Alright, well what I'm gonna do is save. Reload the entire freaking page. And then roll it again. There we go. Ah, the music went up, didn't it? Well, and then we'll go ahead and set our volume to 60% or 20%. Now save game stored. There we go, and then we'll just clean that up. Alright, we'll put that down there then. There we go. Are those gonna spawn now? Nope, just the little guys? I don't understand. Why aren't these guys spawning? They're working off of enemy flow. If touching sprite 1. I don't see why they wouldn't work. Oh, because they're starting too far back because they're too big. They're just being deleted as soon as they exist because when they touch the edge, they get deleted so that they don't just all pile up over there. So that's what's going on. Perfect. Let's try this. There we go. Now we should start seeing them. Yeah, see, that's frightening. Oh, that's actually really frightening. Shoot! Oh, God! Oh, shoot! Alright, I'm gonna die. Oh, boy. Alright, we're gonna have to reduce those boys. We're gonna go with a good old 3 on that one. That's too many. Alright. There we go, that's better. That's something I can deal with. Twice as many enemies, jeez. Crap, it's freaking bullet hell now. I think we need to reduce these guys now. I'll go with a nice 5. A nice 5. Ooh, and maybe we should make a third, even larger enemy. What do you think, guys? Is that a good plan? Their enemy is disabled for a bit. Stun them. Oh shoot, they just appear right in front of you, don't they? Got it. Still going. Ooh, ow. Okay. Oh, we should have a hit sound. We should definitely have a hit sound. So when I receive hit, where's hit? When I receive hit. Play sound. Okay, we're gonna need another sound here. We're gonna go with a nice. That's dumb. Okay. We'll go with okay. We're gonna go with the laser 2 until done. There we go. Oh, and maybe when you get a heal, it starts spawning the big guys for like 10 seconds. Now that heal... So you're saying when we pick up the heal, it should increase the spawn rate for the bad guys? Because they share a spawn. They share a spawn rate. They just sort of work... They both work off of the enemy spawn rate. They're seen as one unit in the code. They're treated as one entity. Oh, come on. Get that. Drop down. Shoot, more coins. Yeah, jackpot. Oh, I'm the master. I am the master. Whew. Let's go. Zoom in a little bit. Oh, well, that hurt. Ooh, don't want to hit that. Gotta get those red coins. Frick yes! Boom. Ooh, and we can have upgrades available in the store for the durations of these things. pushed back a little bit. More coins. Pick up those reds. Oh, we've beat our high score? Woo, yeah! Oh, that hurt! Oh, that hurt! Oh, that hurt! Oh, did you guys see that? That was, oh, ow, okay. Let's buy us some upgrades here. Alright, there we go. Now we're up to 6 HP. I think we should also probably work on this UI. Or maybe this should delete all the coins on the screen. Ooh, maybe there's a coin magnet too. Just makes the coins go toward you. Oh, there's so many possibilities. Well, it's basically just like a full... Oh, you're saying it should only heal a certain amount of HP? Like 2? Okay, I think it should heal twice the strongest monster amount of HP, but it cannot exceed your beginning HP. So you can only be so strong, but this will put you back up to strength. Okay, I think we should work on that background though. Background next. As soon as I die. Oh baby, I'm never dying. As we cool. Alright, got him. And the fact that they speed up and I don't makes it so much harder as it goes along, because at the beginning I could back up just as quickly as they could come at me, even more quickly, but now they're gonna come at me whether I'm backing up or not, so yeah. Whew, it's getting harder. And there's that weird, that weird glitching you're seeing, where they're just sort of hopping forward a little bit. That's because of the limits of the game engine. Nothing I can do about that, sadly. It's not a very powerful game engine. Oh, jackpot! Missed it! Oh, that was close. That was smooth. Worth it. Worth it. Worth it all. And we've passed our high score again. Ooh. You think the health should be less common? I feel like it's enabling me a little bit too much. It should be like, yes, there's one there. Yeah, I'll just reduce how often it spawns. So we'll go 0 to 100, and we'll go 99, 98, 99. There we go. Now it's not OP. Okay, but let's work on the backgrounds though. So we're gonna need a few sprites. Okay, those are all... Okay, yeah, we'll choose a new backdrop from the library here. So let's see. That's a pretty good one. If we could probably work with that, I think. Or the city, maybe? Forest. I think we'll try the city. I think we'll go with that. And now we're going to duplicate and turn this into a sprite. Wait. Oh, okay, we just make a new sprite and then we give it that face. And that sprite needs to go in the back. Excuse me. Excuse me. Go to the back. All the layers. 10,000 layers. Just go all the way back. And then you will, when you receive Oh, this is going to take a little bit. When I receive game menu, hide. Oh, but now he's like invisible. Maybe that was a bad idea. Shoot. Can we actually see him when this is showing? Okay, well, game start, show. Oh, it just changes the aesthetic so much. Oh, well, that's unfortunate. Gotta watch the spawn zones. Maybe I'll make an invisible wall there, so that players can't go up here wherever oh, wow, alright. I'm just unlucky today, aren't I? Help. Upgrade! There you go, all the pickups. All those coins, all those sweet, sweet earnings. Yes. Thank you very much. I need one of those health things to pop up. Please just come on. Come on. Give me some health. Give me some health. Oh, I'm gonna stay back a little bit. I'm gonna not worry about coins so much until I can get that health. Until it pops up. Oh, that was close. Almost died. Oh my god. Yeah, prevent those surprise spawns. Yeah, we're gonna do that. Alright. So how much coins do we have? Yeah, we have enough to... Oh, nope, not quite. Okay, let's see. So, our operator here is the D button, and we'll only have that go if the X position, or wait, yeah, it is X position of our character here. He's sprite 1. Well, where is he? Hello. If X, perhaps it's just straight up X. There we go. X position is greater than about 150. Is less than 150. And if it's less than 150, you can go ahead and move that way. Otherwise, doesn't do that. So let's see how that goes. Let's see how that works. Let's see how that goes. There we go. We'll just hover here, see if we get surprise spawned at all. Ah, we disabled the enemies for a little bit. That's good. Okay, alright, so it's not total surprise spawning. Oh, gosh. Freaking twiddles. Okay. We're gonna... Okay, so... It's not gonna show, ever. What it is gonna do, when I receive game start, is going to forever... Or repeat until... No, forever. Forever make a clone. Create a clone of myself. Every so often. I'm not sure how often. Every distance often? Maybe that'll work. And then when I start as a clone, repeat change x by same as these guys, duplicate, slap it down there. That wasn't what I wanted. Did I get all of it this time? Okay, there we go. And then we're gonna have that looks. So this probably isn't gonna work correctly here. So we're gonna have it start, go to x 150, y 0. I'm gonna go ahead and get that started, see how that does it. Okay, it's disappearing too fast, so we're gonna repeat this 100. What? Wait, distant seconds. And then, oh, it isn't producing a clone of itself. There we go. Okay, that's not quite enough. We're gonna times that by 10 and see what that does. Okay, not quite. We're gonna repeat this 1,000 times. Okay, waiting a little too long to start that other one. So we'll go times 5. Cut that time in half, see if that works out for us. Okay, that's a bit early. So we're gonna go times 6, or times 7, I guess. Try that. Okay, waiting a little too long to do that, so times 6. Still a little too long, so we're gonna go with 5.5. Okay, not quite fast enough, so 5. Nope, not fast enough. So 4. Man, this background is turning out to be a pain. Okay, and then we're just gonna go ahead and start this at 2,000. That sort of works. Yeah, that'll do. It cuts off a little bit, but we're getting there. 4.4 seconds. We'll just watch the background here. We don't need to fly around. 4.5. Too long. 4.45. Too long. 4.4. So our piece is a little too long. We'll go with 500 over here. Huh. I think the gap increases with the distance, so we're not even doing this right. Wait, distance, seconds. Distance, seconds, there we go. 3 seconds. Is that gonna start working? Oh, no, it isn't. How do we counteract this? This is a pain. Wait. We're not going faster. The enemies are going faster. So this doesn't have to go at this speed. It goes that speed, 10. Change X by -10. Okay, that's a bit fast. Let's try -2. And then wait a good 3 seconds. Okay, let's try 5 seconds. Don't really notice, but 7. Go 8. And that'll be after this seam that we'll see. Okay, so 7.9. And that'll be the next seam here. Yeah, that'll probably have to do. Or wait, can we try to nail in that one right there? Make these two connect, because those two look like they can connect. So if we can get them connected. Ah, very nearly. We'll go 5.8 seconds. We'll see where they connect here. So it'll be the next one after this, maybe? Alright, we're gonna go ahead and edit this costume a little bit. Just a little. Cut off the end there. Is that gonna work? Yes! Yes. Okay, now we just need to increase it slightly. 5.9. Should be the next one. Still noticeable. 5.6. Let's try that. Okay, that's just off because background's poo. Really? Looks fine. What are you talking about? Just because I'm zoomed out, it's great. Look at this. Before you die in class. Alright, I'll see you later, Euro. Yeah, it doesn't match my aesthetic at all. We're just gonna hide this little guy. Just never gonna allow it to show. Just boom. Hide. go. That's over. And now okay, so the background, what else are we changing? We're gonna change our store here so that it actually had some good stuff in it besides the health. So we're actually gonna upgrade these guys, upgrade that guy. Yeah, I know Frosty. I know. Yeah, alright, yeah. Make a variable stun time. And set that to 1. And then the stun time is... Oh, this guy uses it. Stun time. Stun, 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 stun. There it is. And then we're also going to need a cache time. One. Stun time. 1. Hide both of those. And then we're going to copy this and place it. Oh, we're going to lower this one. So it's going to be at a nice -40. And then the back button here is going to be at a nice -60. And this copy right here, we're going to change its costume a little bit. Zoom in nice and just whoop. And then we'll draw a good old down facing triangle. Alright, well, if that's the way it's going to be, that's the way it's going to be. But actually, I think I'll go like this. Okay, we're going to have to do get some changes going on around here. Alright, there we go. And then we'll fill that with a nice purple. Then we'll take this and fill that out. And then we'll change the script here. And we'll go stun time times 100 to upgrade. And then increase stun time by 1. And we'll switch all these for stun time. Oh, that's just extra. We won't be needing that. Is everything stun time? Okay, it looks like it is. So now I can increase stun time. And now this, we're going to go ahead and copy, duplicate, costumes, remove the center. Actually, let's undo that. Hello? Okay. No, I wanted to delete, and I have to delete 2, and now right click over here, select it, right click, duplicate, take this area, Copy it, paste it over here. Take this area, delete it, copy and paste this. Flip it around, or, well, copy, paste, then flip it around. I'm confused. Copy, paste, flip it upside down. Don't know exactly where that is, but I think that'll do. I'll go ahead and delete this. Fill that up. Change this color to yellow. And then switch all these for cache time. Perfect. So that means now I need to place it. So I'll place it in a nice 0. There we go. Now I can power up the power-ups. And then when's bed? Well, you see, I don't know, man. Okay, should we power up the healing thing? Make it more powerful? Because you can spend money on healing or you can spend money on toughness. Right? That makes sense. That makes sense, right? That makes sense. So I'll duplicate this, go through this thing one more time. And then we're gonna add a nice, all right, nope. Crunch, there we go. Oh no, everything's going wrong. All right, there we go. Then we'll put a red. I'll copy whatever that is and slap it down there. Yes, do that. Okay. And what this is going to do is it's going to have a similar effect to this healing. And this is going to actually work on this. Set HP, or no, not set HP, but healing. Change HP by healing, but only if HP plus healing is less than starting HP. No, we won't do that. We won't do that. We'll allow it to be supercharged because it can't really be. Then we need to do this 10. Do it. Store. Okay, 20. Store, and then that's same price. So, basically, yeah. So now we'll need a refresher on this. Alright, we're gonna set up a refresher here. It's going to set the bank to 0, the healing to 1, and then just and then from the healing is going to be whatever. Coins. Enemy flow, coin flow, distance, HP, bank, starting HP we set to 1, and then enemy spawn question mark, coin spawn chance will be set to, wait, the spawn chance doesn't get increased there, so that's fine. High score to 0, and then healing to 1. Oh, it's already done. Okay, so there's our reset button. Go ahead and do that. There we go. Get rid of that healing here. Start. Boom. Ow. We don't have any coins. Let's start again. Let's play through this. See if it works. See if it works. And that'll just keep him away for 1 second. So it's pretty pointless in the beginning until you upgrade it. 33 coins, not enough to do much of anything. Oh boy. Start again. Yeah, the music's pretty good. Oh, alright, well, okay. Let's get that heart. Let's get that initial health going. Okay. I got a coin that time. I'm happy. Happy that I got a coin. So don't spawn for like a second. That really doesn't help much right now. So we need to upgrade that. Wow, okay. So now that only spawns 2 extra coins. Oh, I can upgrade something when I get out. Oh, well, there it is. Shoot. 2036, what I got right now. So what do we upgrade? Let's upgrade our health. That's important. Okay. Now I have 2 HP. Sweet. And of course, the more you play this game, the more OP you're going to get because it never ends. And you can just keep upgrading because it just generates algorithms for the prices. Awesome, I didn't die. Didn't die immediately. Oh, hi there. Well, there we go. 243. We got a high score, sweet. Okay, so store will upgrade our let's see, that one. And then we still have one more for these, so I'll pour it on that one. Let's go back. Oh, this is actually pretty good. Okay, so some nice little strategies there. Have to think about what we're upgrading and when. There we go. Plus another HP, got a bonus. Ooh, and everything has a sound. That's pretty nice. Why are there so few aliens around? That's kind of weird. That's unsettling. Okay, well we got 1 HP, so I think we've definitely got a high score here, yep. Alright, well that's fine. 688. I'll go to the store. Can't afford any, but we need to save 200. Maybe we should have to upgrade the jetpack power too, like limit the movement of the initial character and make this character here like a mid game, so that you can move faster and stuff. What do you think? Would that be good? Have your jetpack upgradable as well. So then the store would just be a lot of buttons all over the place. Like duration, effect. Alright, well, I got 18 coins that time. That was a bad run. Let's go to the store and get ourselves some health. Okay, there we go. I think that health seems a bit important. A bit too important right now. We should fix that somehow. Maybe we'll make it twice as expensive. That'll do. We'll make it twice as expensive. Ow! Okay. Nothing. Nothing. Whoo! Ow. Alright. Ow. Oh, that is nice right there. You see that? You see that? That is nice. Alright, well, let's see. We'll upgrade this. Get rid of those enemies. So I think the upgrade should be twice as expensive for the things that can have two effects, like the power-ups can both have duration and like frequency. And then stuff like ooh. You could have a super meta power-up that just powers up all the power-ups. Oh, didn't get to use that. That's okay though. I wanted that red coin. No chance of getting it though. Darn, got 241. So that wasn't too bad. We got a high score and 241. So, yeah, we'll add some more upgrades. So, our backpack, our power for our jetpack. How low can it get? Goodness. We're gonna put this over here. We're gonna get rid of those. Clear those out of there. Da-da-dum. Da-da-dum. There we go. Clean those out. A little bit here. Oh, this is getting pretty messy. This is getting real messy, especially with our little actor dude. He works well though. It's not too bad. So this here is gravity. So if it was just that, never mind. Change y by left -5. Oh, okay, so, and then this changes the left by -1 all the time. Until it reaches 0. Oh, darn. How did I get this idea? Well, I started with gravity. I just made a little cat sprite, and I gave him a jetpack so that it could resist gravity, and that was the beginning. And then I gave him gravity, and it was like, now what does this jetpack cat do? I don't know if that's actually a cat, but... Oh yeah, no enemies for a little while. That was nice. That was a nice little break. Ooh. Shoot. Got it. Oh god, that scared me. Okay, but those backpack upgrades. Maybe you should be stupidly unable to move in the beginning. So, space key press. Change lift by power. And power has to start at least 2 so you can resist the effects of gravity. So let's go with 2. I'll put that over there for safekeeping. Put those as well. Boom, reset. Okay, let's see what 1 does. Can't even get any lift off there, so it has to be 2. And that's how you start with your lift. And the sideways thrust should also be based on that. Based on your power here. Change X by negative power, so we're gonna go with R times 2. Power, duplicate. Yeah, that'll do. I'll put that there. Then we'll start. See, we can't hardly move now. And now we can upgrade our power. So now we need to set up our power upgrade, so we'll go with a nice one of these. Duplicate that. And what I'm gonna do here is this. Copy paste. Gonna add 2 more down here. Boop. I'll go copy, paste, smash, move this whole thing. Well, that's a thing. Copy, paste, click, get out, go over to this, come back, make sure that's all fixed. Okay, and now we'll select all of it. Excuse me. And then we'll select all of it, which can't be selected anymore because breaking things. No. Alright. Working this time? Good. And we're gonna need to select exactly it so that that little green dot. What the frick? Triple click there. Just to make sure it disengages, and then that was harder than it should have been. What the frick? Everything good? Nothing broken? Whew. Alright, and then we're going to just literally just grab this. Copy. Go over here and paste it. I'm gonna figure out where that needs to go. Deselect all that just to make sure. Bam. There we are. That's a button now. We're going to set that to x neg 40. 0. And then that is going to be power. 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 Let's see if this works out. Yeah. So we can upgrade our jetpack now as well. Perfect. Oh, that was hard. Yeah, same, bro. Frickin' A. Especially editing this frickin' costume. It's pretty... It looks like it's just a dude flipping off anyway. But, that's that. And I think we're gonna go ahead and make this a beta. I'm gonna take it out of alpha. It'll be a beta. Bam. There we go. Burp. File. Save now. We're going to graduate that to a beta. And any final suggestions? Ow. Didn't I have... Oh, I haven't upgraded the health yet. Alright, well, that's fine. Okay, got 4 coins though. Sweet, so it was worth it. Now 27. Alright, let's get this. Play again. Maybe the enemies are a bit frequent. Maybe we should tone them down a little. Maybe we should tone them down a little. So we'll go ahead and put a good old 4 on here. We'll put a good old 2 on there. See if this is workable. Just slightly less. None of that. And 42. 42. Good roll, good roll. Nearly. 20 more. And then we can afford that jetpack upgrade, and that's gonna be lovely. Ow, got 10. Worth it. I want that jetpack upgrade. Give it away. Come here, coins. The inability to properly move sideways really makes this. Okay. I think my next little game, I'm gonna try to figure out how to do like projectile firing based on mouse aiming. So like maybe it'll be a nice tank game. And I might put a gravity thing in there. I put a gravity in there unless I just do like top-down tank. Sort of like top-down shooter, sort of like what's that one with the chicken-headed people? Ow. Why did I go for that power up? I knew I was gonna die. Anyway, there we go. Get some health. So we have a second chance. Oh, look at that. That's a jackpot right there. That's just a free 12. Alright, oh. Oh boy. These power-ups are practically worthless in the beginning. Like, I don't risk anything to get them because they don't do anything. Hardly. They give us 1 second of guaranteed no enemies or 1 second of guaranteed coin spawns. That's it. It runs surprisingly well for having so many things on the screen. Missed it, but I got this one. And I survived. Boom. That was a blank period. I suppose that happens when you RNG things. I think there aren't enough enemies, actually. Maybe the original amount of enemies was good, because at the beginning it's kind of awful because they go so slow, which means they group up. And they get farther separated here as you go along. Wow, okay, so we're knocking our old high score out of the water, but we did change the game. Ow. That hurt. Alright, so... 400. We can do a couple of things. Well, let's upgrade our power. Did that work? Okay, we gotta check, make sure that button's doing what it's supposed to. Oh, okay. Okay, alright. So it's just saying the wrong thing there. Okay, now we're back up to, I don't know what power. Ow! Okay, but the, okay, you know, I'll make this an alpha, I think. I'll make it say alpha, because it doesn't have a UI, it doesn't have a, it's not pretty yet. It works, and that's what an alpha is. But a beta is something you're willing to present players with. And this UI is pretty garbage, so, yeah. It's a beta. Or it's an alpha. Save now. And I think next time we'll come back to this game, or we'll try that tank game, depending on whichever I feel. So it's now nearly 4 o'clock, so I'm going to bed. I'm definitely going to bed. Thank you all for joining me today. Hope you had fun. Give me a follow if you want to see me again. And see you in the next life. Peace. Yep, future game dev. You know it. Actually, I'm current game dev. Look at this shit. I just made a game, bro. Alright. Peace.